All right, we are back at the Iowa Fireworks Barn here in, what is this, New Virginia, Iowa. And we are back at the 500 gram section over here. Jumping right in. There's a lot to cover. So we got Rock and Roll by MC Fireworks, 20 shots, $32.99. Ashes to Ashes, $44.99, 16 shots by MC. Got Heavy Hitter, 15 shots, MC Fireworks, $27.99. Got Tiger Tooth Fireworks, $17.76, 25 shots, and $47.99. Monster Mash by Tiger Tooth, $57.99, 33 shots. Just in time for Halloween, because who doesn't love fireworks on Halloween? Screw the candy. Pixel, 60 shots, Tiger Tooth. 125 feet of height. $64.99. Make our way over here. Magnus 48 shot, 1 minute more. 48 shots, lasts about a minute and 17. 60 bucks. Hey, it lasts 90 seconds. 40 shots. I'm sorry. Yeah, it says 40 shots. It's lying to me. That's the wrong one. Right there. It lasts 60 seconds. $52.99. 40 shots. Gatling Cell. That just looks awesome. Sky Pioneer. $725 or 72 shots. I'm sorry, 72 shots. I thought that was a 5. $125. That's a lot of shots. Ticked Off Tom. First American. $159.99. Here's the top. 182 shots. The $100 cake. 160 shots. $159.99. 55 seconds. Enough said. Who makes you? I can't see who makes you. Showtime. Showtime Fireworks. $89.99. 86 shots. Limitless by Shogun. 115 shots. $100. After Party. $139.99. 172 shots by Screaming Demon. I also have Hippie Chick. It's around here somewhere, it's just not right here. But that's 150. 172 shots. We got Off the Charts. 192 shots. 150. That's what it looks like by Showtime. Iron Dome System by Black Cat. 198 shots. 169 bucks. Totally 80s. 88 shots by Boomin' Bulldog. 80 bucks. World Class Peacock. 180 shots. 179 bucks. You got Mainframe. Mainframe by Brothers. 54 shots. 80 bucks. Mesmerized. 163 shots by Screaming Demon. $124.99. Stuff on the ends here. Got Sassy by Brothers. $100, 600 shots. Cracklepalooza by Screamin' Demon, $43.99, 210 shots. And we got Redneck Rodeo, Screamin' Demon, 83 shots for $40. And we got Jungle Fever, $21.99. It's a Z cake. I don't see how many shots are on that. Willows and Reports. Everyone loves Willows. And then down here, 600 shots by Miracle Fireworks, Justice for All. And that is $79.99. Right here, you got the 1,500 gram finale set from Sky Bacon. 3 cakes with fusing connectors, $200. I think it's something like 72 shots. Yes, sir. Moving on back over here. Rowdy Ride, $134.99 by Brothers, 185 shots. Uncle Sam's Best, $139 by Fireworks Complex, 158 shots. We got Road to America, 172 shots by Winda. Nice old one. I haven't actually seen that one in a while. What do we got? $100. Maximum Insanity, 182 shots by Showtime. We got Raider Killer, I'm sorry. $124.99, 158 shots by Ghost Shadow. We got Powder Keg Fireworks, 156 shots. War Game, $129. Got some Neon Butterflies from Raccoon, 54 shots, $119. We got some High Roller, 169 shots from Tiger Tooth, $129. And that'll wrap up this one. Whole bunch of other stuff to come. Yeah, whole bunch. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.